Our world is filled with wonders, but, some places just defy explanation. Across the vast tapestry of our planet, there exist corners so profoundly strange they seem from another reality. These are not postcard landscapes, they are whispered about places, sites of scientific anomaly and chilling legend. They challenge our understanding of nature, history, and our place in this magnificent, sometimes terrifying world. Tonight, we count down the top 10 strangest places on Earth. Our journey begins in the vast, unforgiving Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan. Here, amidst the endless shifting sands lies a spectacle of terrifying beauty, a fiery chasm, Darvaza gas crater, the door to hell. This is not a natural volcano but a scar of human endeavor gone awry. They lit it to burn off gas, and it has never ceased. In the remote expanse of northern Tanzania, lies a body of water that seems drawn from a landscape of nightmares. This is Lake Natron, a shallow salt lake whose appearance is as deadly as it is beautiful. Its waters are stained a deep blood red by salt-loving microorganisms and algae. For most creatures, contact is fatal. Shorelines are a macabre gallery of petrified birds, beauty and death, locked together in mineral stone. Beneath the romantic streets of Paris, lies a silent subterranean city of the dead. The catacombs are a vast network of tunnels stretching for hundreds of kilometers. Walls not of stone but of femurs, tibias, and skulls arranged in chilling patterns. To walk here is to be enveloped by the dead, silence broken only by a drip. A humbling journey into a hidden world far from the Parisian sun. There's a region that exists more in myth than on any official chart. Bounded by Bermuda, Florida, and Puerto Rico, the Bermuda Triangle, the Devil's Triangle. For decades it has captured imaginations, mysterious disappearances, Flight 19. Dozens of vessels vanished, often in calm weather, leaving no wreckage. Compasses spin, electronics fail, lights are seen in the sky and beneath the waves. Rogue waves, methane eruptions, human error, or something else. The enigma persists. At the foot of Mount Fuji, lies a place of profound and chilling stillness. Aokigahara, the Sea of Trees. Its porous lava floor absorbs sound. Trees grow dense and twisted, creating an unnatural quiet. Compasses fail, landmarks vanish. People become lost. The forest is disorienting and heavy with sorrow. Personal belongings and small offerings mark vanished lives. The silence is oppressive, not peaceful. Aokigahara, beauty overshadowed by quiet tragedy. In the arid coastal plain of Peru, etched into the desert floor, are some of archaeology's greatest mysteries, the Nazca Lines. Enormous geoglyphs, spider, hummingbird, monkey, visible only from the sky. Made by removing dark pebbles to reveal lighter soil beneath, the windless climate preserved them for millennia. Astronomical calendars, ritual pathways, or even ancient runways, their purpose remains a profound secret. Silent messages from a lost world, vast art whose audience we cannot identify. In a small corner of western Poland, near Gryfino, stands a grove of pine trees that defy botanical logic, the Crooked Forest. About 400 pines bend sharply in a smooth 90-degree curve, then straighten. Identical, isolated, inexplicable. Planted in the 1930s, theories range from deliberate shaping for curved timber to wartime damage. None fully explain it. Uniformity and isolation make it a botanical puzzle. Precision locked within the wood. The Crooked Forest remains a silent, surreal enigma. In the highlands of South America, where Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana meet, stands Mount Roraima, a tabletop mountain that seems prehistoric. Sheer 400-meter cliffs rise from the jungle. The flat summit is an isolated world. A blackened stone labyrinth of sculpted rock, crystal pools, quartz fields, and carnivorous plants. Life evolved alone. Those who reach it witness a landscape unlike any other. An island of evolution that inspired the lost world. Mount Roraima, a remnant of deep time floating above the clouds. In the bleak frozen McMurdo Dry Valleys, one of the coldest and driest places on Earth, a crimson plume pours from a glacier. From the tongue of the Taylor Glacier, a 5-story plume of deep crimson water pours, blood falls. Not algae, but iron-rich brine from an ancient subglacial lake trapped for millions of years. When the iron-rich water meets oxygen, it oxidizes, staining the ice. Microbes thrive where we thought life could not. Blood falls, an ancient secret bleeding into the modern world. Our final destination is perhaps the most psychologically unsettling of all. Hidden in the labyrinthine canals of Xochimilco, a small artificial island harbors a grotesque shrine. La Isla de las Muñecas. Hundreds, perhaps thousands of decaying dolls hang from every tree and structure, faces cracked, limbs missing, hollow eyes, an eerie, watching audience that swings in the wind. Don Julian hung one doll to honor a drowned girl. A 50-year obsession turned to grief into a grotesque landscape, a monument to grief and madness, unforgettable and nightmarish. From fiery pits to silent watching dolls, we cross the planet's unsettling edges. These places blur science and legend, tragedy and wonder, and remind us how much remains unknown. They whisper of ancient forces, human folly, and evolution's surprising ways. What else lies beyond the map? If you are captivated by the unexplained, join our journey. Subscribe and ring the bell for more. The search for answers is only just beginning.